guys, we're gonna walk behind the waterfall. Oh, it'll be fun.
Hey! For weeks now, we've barely had any sun, and now the house battery is just about done. So we're off to a paid campsite to plug in. But first, shopping time.
We arrive in supermarket, right? Oh my god, that's so big. 40 liter. It's a peanut and raisin.
Vanlife.
자, 블랙 틸라피아가 뭐야? 샐러드 버거 있어. 다들 픽업 다 했구나. 비어있는 게 많다. 치즈 앤 토마토 피자. 이거 작은 것도 괜찮겠다. 스낵으로 하기에. 맞아. 보자, 얼마 나왔어? 82 나왔네. 84, right? Wow. Shopping is done.
Today we are camping at a pub. That might sound strange to you, but many pubs in the UK allow camping, for a fee of course. And sometimes it's free, if you're getting something in the pub. The one we're going to is located in a tiny village, so the roads to get there are pretty narrow, but the countryside is lovely.
Guys, we are here. We are gonna go to the pub first and then we can do something.
No,
Okay.
sorry.
So we are gonna go to the pub and tell them we are gonna stay, right?
Yeah.
Quite interesting.
Yeah.
This is the pub. Right. Just call them, right? 뭐야 이거? 여기 블랙십이 많나봐. Black sheep better slow down at night. Yeah, we got a call.
Yeah.
Alright. Not working?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I haven't done this for a long time.
I know. We decide to fill up the water first. Is that a cat? Guys, ship is crossing the road right now. This is quite funny. There's tons of ship right now. 대박. 검은색이다. 검은색 양. Guys, we were kind of worried because we are really out of service. We cannot call, we cannot do, only we can do is emergency call, that's it. So we were like, oh my god, where we are gonna pay the money? Pub may be open tonight, but I had a kind of sense that pub may be closed Monday. But luckily, there's one gentleman show up in front of our door, and he's the guy that collect the money Monday and Tuesday because the pub closed Monday and Tuesday. So I'm kind of thankful that he was there, and then we got the Wi-Fi password too, and then we got a tip too. He gave us a tip that where you have to go for the cave, and I didn't research for the cave, but he gave us tip and really nice. And the other thing is, what was that? I spoke Welsh to him because I learned Welsh. How are you? That's it. Shutahi. And I never had a chance to speak because I only see the ship, so I say to the ship that shutahi all the time, but they never reply, right? So I said, he understood me, so I'm really happy that I spoke a little bit. And we got a little bit tip that we asked him, we are thinking to go to the waterfall for sunset. He said that kind of reaction means better not to go. So we are gonna go tomorrow. So plan a little bit changed, but I'm glad that everything is kind of sorting out.
Yeah, I'm gonna hurry and feed you.
Yeah, because I was so cranky because I need the food. I'm not like hungry mood. I was like I am hangry mood. From last campsite, I installed this one. So we are testing it and I like it. Right now outside is like raining, but we can try a little bit bigger way, right? Cool, huh? Your
Super cool.
girlfriend did a good job, huh?
You did a great job.
Yeah. So here is a little bit messy because we're charging all the stuff what we have it. We are using this kind of the charging station. I don't know how to call this one. I think like 6 ports here. This one's a 5. This is 6 ports too. So we plug everything and then
USB
charging.
hub maybe?
Maybe. Yeah, we don't know the words, but if you guys know the words, please leave us a comment. And also we are charging related too. It's really good backup because UK weather is not that great. Yeah, you wish. One person thing is they have a wireless charging. Our both phone doesn't have it. So when we meet someone, we are gonna beg them like, can you please try to put on the here? And I want to see if it's charging or not, right? So yeah, it's charging right now. Yeah, it's good, huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
진짜 완전 크다.
Yeah, these things are humongous, huh?
So this is the naan we bought it at the supermarket today. Look at this. It's humongous. And Mark cooked the curry with the naan. And we are eating a lot of Indian food since we got in UK, right?
Indian food is basically UK food.
Yeah. Look good though. Right. Good morning.
Morning.
오늘은 웬 하이킹 부츠?
Hiking boots. I think Tibuku's never seen my hiking boots before.
약간 더러운데 저번에 쓰긴 썼다는 말인데 맞지? 오늘은 우리끼리만 하이킹하는 거 아니잖아. 존이랑 커트니, right? 커트니?
Kirsty.
Kirsty.
Thank you. Morning.
Morning.
It's a really pretty garden. Yeah. Hey.
Oh, we got someone
Oh my
behind there.
gosh.
We got someone behind.
Okay, yeah, go.
We can get you up there if you want to hold.
Yeah. How do we get on? This side, I guess. All right, thank you.
Well, then with the
That's
guy there,
crazy,
the delivery
right?
driver, he's like, are you lost, you? I don't know, they're our friends. It's okay.
Oh my god.
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Driving now, I was like, that's them. And Kirsty's like, is it? And I was like, camera.
Yeah, right.
That's them, 100%. Oh, that's funny catching you there.
Renault Master, right?
2 bars up here, I'm surprised.
Oh, we got a signal here. Liber Pader Sug.
Can you read this one for me? I cannot read it.
Räuber Padaya Scoot.
Yeah, I wouldn't have even guessed.
Oh, yeah.
That's how you say it.
Yeah. All right, we start with number 1 right there.
Oh yeah, you found it.
Number 1. Here we go. This should be fun, huh?
Yeah.
This is like a really nice lighting for a photographer, huh?
Yeah, come look at it.
Okay, let's take a look.
It's like you stepped into like a...
Oh my gosh, you're right.
Into I don't even know.
Like a fairy tale or something, right? Look at the light coming through.
Oh, wow.
Oh, look at ball. Oh my god.
Wow, that is really pretty.
Oh.
What's that?
It's like chilling.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Yeah, try it.
How does it feel, Kirsten?
Comfortable than I thought.
So this we're at 13, so it's that way. It's a nice little walking path. No, already?
Yeah.
Here, we're at the first waterfall right here. That's a nice one.
Oh, you don't want to fall off here though, baby. Wow. That is just rough. How is it down there?
It's quite good.
You gotta be careful where you step here. Like, you take one wrong step and...
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We are gonna see the second waterfall, I guess. 미쳤나봐. 이렇게 가야 돼. 와우.
Oh, look at
Wow.
that. It's so cool.
Oh wow. Guys, it's so unique. Up here is another river is going through, and look at this bottom part separately going through too. Oh my god! Oh my god! We just saw that the people were wearing the life jackets, so like maybe they're doing the rafting, but they're jumping right in front of the waterfall. That's quite crazy.
Oh yeah, people are walking behind it, huh?
Guys, we're gonna walk behind the waterfall. Hey, have fun.
Wow.
It is so nice.
Was sleeping next to you was usual. I'd rather spend a lifetime on my own than ever been in love those years ago. But now remembering is all I know.
Guys, we went to the last waterfall. I couldn't do vlog because there's a lot of water coming through, and we want to waterproof our camera, so couldn't connect the mic. But you know, that was so stunning and really nice. I don't know, I should say splendid. It was so great. It was so fun. You can walk behind the waterfall, you can stood up there, and then looking at the water is falling down. That was awesome. And Mark said that that was his first time to walk behind a waterfall. I was quite shocked. I thought like he would have those kind of experience, but he couldn't get out of there. He loved it, and I agree. Number 4, every waterfall was pretty, but number 4 was the thing. Okay,